LG has introduced its new HomeBot AI Objet Collection RONi robot vacuum, bringing a fresh approach to premium home cleaning. The company has announced two versions that cater to different home layouts while introducing a new steam-based cleaning system, AI-powered navigation, and a design that keeps the robot hidden when not in use. The LG HomeBot AI Objet Collection RONi is available in two variants. The hidden station is designed to fit beneath a kitchen sink kickboard with a 15 cm high docking station that supports automatic water supply and drainage without requiring additional cabinet modifications. Meanwhile, the Objet Station is a standalone version with a side table-inspired design that can be placed anywhere in the house. Both models feature an automatic front door that opens when the robot enters or exits the station and remains closed the rest of the time to keep the unit out of sight. One of the biggest highlights is the world's first system that applies 100 degrees Celsius steam to both the robot and its docking station. During mopping, steam is sprayed onto the mop to loosen stubborn stains. Once cleaning is complete, the station washes the mop with 100 degrees Celsius steam and hot water, removing up to 99.99% of 4 common harmful bacteria. Warm air drying helps reduce odor-causing substances, while a station conditioning system expels moisture to keep the dock clean. RONi packs 30W suction power and spinning mop pads that rotate at 180 revolutions per minute. An extendable side brush reaches around 46 mm into corners, while a dual brush design helps reduce hair tangles. LG's AI object recognition technology works with 8 onboard sensors to identify more than 120 types of objects, including cables, flower pots, and pet waste. The robot can notify users about obstacles through the LG ThinQ app and automatically revisit missed areas after obstructions are removed. It also adjusts suction power and cleaning patterns depending on the room, such as increasing cleaning intensity in kitchens. The robot vacuum also features LG Shield security, which encrypts collected data and stores encryption keys separately. The camera remains hidden behind the closed station door after cleaning, helping address privacy concerns. Sales begin on July 2nd through LG Best Shop, LG's online store in Kuang. Both the hidden station and Objet Station are priced KRW 2.19 million. Early buyers purchasing between July 2nd and July 15th will receive a welcome kit, while selected photo review participants will get additional gifts. There's no confirmation whether this device will be released in other markets outside of South Korea.